Hello dear hungry Chakalaka, what a melodious name from South Africa. It was originally a spice sauce, but since the 1950s it has existed in slightly different variations as this unique dish. To cook chakalaka, we need tomatoes, carrots, onions, and a can of baked beans in rich tomato sauce, some ginger, a hot chili pepper, curry powder, and oil, preferably using peanut oil. But sunflower, canola, or a good olive oil can also be used. First, we start by preparing the ingredients and grate the carrots finely. Then the seeded chili pepper is finely chopped. Hardcore folks can of course cook the whole thing. And then the peeled piece of ginger is finely chopped. Now the onion needs to be chopped. I do this with my universal chopper, but a knife will do just fine. And then I proceed the same way with the tomatoes. Now we add some oil to a pan and gently heat it, then add the onions. The chopped chili pepper and minced ginger, stir everything together briefly. Add curry powder. Mix everything thoroughly together once more and roast for 3 to 5 minutes. Then we add the grated carrots to the pan. Additionally, include the chopped tomatoes and give it a quick stir. Then proceed to add the beans, ensuring everything is mixed thoroughly and evenly. Thoroughly combine all ingredients, then simmer them on medium heat for around 5 minutes to let the flavors blend. Remember to stir occasionally, and soon our delicious chakalaka will be ready to serve. Enjoy your meal. Done. We take it off the heat, and now for the Mealie Pap, sometimes also called Mealie Pap, which is basically a type of thick maize porridge, and it's very simple to make in a pot with a liter of water. Add half a teaspoon of salt, bring it to a boil, and then slowly sprinkle in the cornmeal. Ideally, this forms a pyramid-like structure in the pot. Well, mine didn't quite turn out that way, but it's not a big deal. Cover and simmer on medium heat for approximately 5 minutes, then take off the lid, and the maize porridge is at its very best. Stir it thoroughly with a fork until a thick crumbly mass forms, ensuring all parts are blended well. Then cover again, reduce the heat, and let the maize porridge continue to cook until it's done. This usually takes about half an hour, and you should stir it occasionally. And when you see it like this, a pretty solid, rather lumpy mixture has formed, the Mealie Pap is just right, so we can take it off the stove. And then it can be served. And in case you're wondering why there's no cutlery here, I'll show you how it's eaten. We grab a piece with our hands of Mealie Pap, pile chakalaka on top, and then let it disappear into our mouths. Chew nicely and enjoy. It's truly a vibrant, colorful, delicious, and in this delightful version, a vegetarian meal. Something different, tastes great. You should definitely try it out. Have fun cooking and then enjoy your meal.